Vidyaniketan.
Hi students, how are you? I fine. So in the last class we learned about body parts. Today we are going to learn the spellings of body parts. Now all look here. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Next, eyebrows, E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S, eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S, eyebrows. This is eyebrows. We have two eyebrows. Did you see eyebrows? This is eyebrows. Okay. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Ears, E-A-R-S, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Cheeks, C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks. C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Here, lips, L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Face, F-A-C-E, face. F-A-C-E, face. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. This is shoulder. These are shoulders. Okay. Chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. Elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. This is elbow. Look here, this is elbow. Next, W-A-I-S-T, waist. W-A-I-S-T, waist. I will show you waist. This is waist. Did you see? This one is waist here. This is waist. Did you all see? Waist. W-A-I-S-T, waist. Wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Knee, K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Leg, L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Ankle, A-N-K-L-E, ankle, A-N-K-L-E, ankle. Now I will show ankle. This is ankle. This one ankle. Did you see ankle? So A-N-K-L-E, ankle, A-N-K-L-E, ankle. Toes, T-O-E-S, toes, T-O-E-S, toes. I hope you study the spellings. Now next we are going to learn the functions of body parts. Take your textbook. Now take page 5, lesson 2, my body, page 5. Keep your finger under each word and listen to me. Here, each part of our body does some work. Each part of our body does some work. We can do many things with our legs. We can do many things with our legs. See, we can do many things. In this picture is given. This boy is running. Here, jumping, dancing, kicking. So we can do all these things with our legs. Run, jump, dance, kick. So underline, we can do many things with our legs. Underline. We can do many things with our legs. And also you underline run, jump, dance, kick. Underline the word run, jump, dance, kick. Next page. We can do many things with our hands. We can do many things with our hands. Here, eat, hold, pick, write. All these things we can do with our hands. So underline this sentence. We can do many things with our hands. What all things we can do? We can eat, hold, pick, write. So underline eat, hold, pick, write. Next, we do some things using both our hands and legs. We do some things using both our hands and legs. Look here, crawl, march, exercise, skip, swim. All these activities are done with the help of hands and legs. We can crawl, march, exercise, skip, swim with our hands and legs. Underline the sentence. We can do some things using both our hands and legs. Underline. And also underline the word crawl, march, exercise, skip, swim. Next, we use our back and shoulders to push and carry things. We use our back and shoulders to push and carry things. So, to push and carry things, we use our back and shoulders. Underline the sentence. We use our back and shoulders to push and carry things. Underline. Yeah, the push, carry. These two words underline. Push, carry. This boy is pushing something and we can see the girl is carrying bag on her shoulders. So underline the word push, carry. So did you understand this? Next is exercise. Take page 7. Name the body parts with the help of the clues. Some clues are given here. With the help of these clues, name the body parts. First one is eye. E-Y-E, eye. Write I, E-Y-E, I. Next, face. F-A-C-E, face. F-A-C-E, face. This nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. This wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Feet. F-E-E-T, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Next, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Arm. A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. Hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Toes. T-O-E-S, toes. T-O-E-S, toes. Eye, face, nose, wrist, leg, feet, hair, head, ear, arm, hand, toes. Next is circle the correct answer. This exercise you have to do on. I have black brown hair. So what is the color of your hair? If it is black, circle black. If it is brown, you circle brown. So circle the correct answer. First question, I have black brown hair. Second, I have long short hair. So if it is long, circle long. If it is short, circle short. I have small big feet. Next, I have white yellow teeth. I have curly straight hair. So this exercise you do yourself. Fill in the blanks. Use words from the box. Some words are given in the box. Fill in these blanks with the help of these words. 5, 2, legs, hand, 2. First one, my dash help me to walk. My legs, L-E-G-S, legs. My legs help me to walk. Second, I have dash fingers in one hand. I have 5 fingers. I have 5 fingers in one hand. Third, I have dash hands and dash feet. I have 2 hands and 2 feet. I have 2 hands and 2 feet. Last one, I use my dash to write. I use my hand. I use my hand to write. So did you get? So you have to do this exercise. So lesson 2, my body is over. So you have to do the activity, that is you should stick the picture of human body and mark the parts, and also read this chapter 3 times. Hope you will do this. We can see in the next class. Thank you.